For image formed at least distance of distinct vision. This is for Cassegrain telescope. M is equal to FO divided by FE. What is that? FO means focal length of the objective lens. FE, focal length of the eyepiece. 1 plus into 1 plus FE divided by D. So this is the required equation for the magnification. And for image formed at infinity, M is given as FO divided by FE. That is equal to FO is R by 2, because we know R, the radius of curvature, is equal to twice the FO divided by FE. So we can make use of these two equations for finding out the magnification in two cases of a Cassegrain telescope.